Is your laptop taking forever to load? Tired of staring at the spinning wheel while your deadlines loom closer? A fast, responsive laptop can elevate your gaming, streamline your work, and make browsing a breeze. Today, we're here to your slow device into a speed demon. We'll walk you through upgrading hardware, clearing out unnecessary files, and other key strategies to boost your laptop's performance. Ready to leave that lag behind? Let's explore the essential steps to supercharge your device. The first step to boost your laptop's performance is updating Windows and drivers. Now, you might wonder why this is important. Well, it's simple. Windows updates aren't just about introducing new features. They often include performance enhancements and security fixes that help your system run smoother and safer. On the other hand, drivers are the bridge between your laptop's hardware components and the operating system. Having outdated drivers can lead to performance issues or even system crashes. So, where do you find these updates? Your first stop should be the Windows update in your system settings. Regularly check for updates and install them when available. For drivers, head to your laptop manufacturer's website. Look for the latest drivers for your hardware components like your graphics card or network adapter and download them. Updated drivers can significantly improve your laptop's performance, so don't forget to regularly check for updates and install them. Unnecessary running programs can slow your laptop down. Now let's talk about how to manage these programs effectively. The Task Manager, accessible by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and SC simultaneously, is a powerful tool at your disposal. It presents a list of all running processes on your laptop. From here, you can identify which programs are hogging up your system's resources. Often, it's the usual suspects like heavy browsers and video editing software. If you're not actively using these programs, consider closing them. Remember, every bit of your system's resources you save can contribute to a smoother and more responsive computing experience. But what if we told you that there's a way to save memory without having to close your browser entirely? Yes, it's possible with browser extensions. These handy tools can suspend inactive tabs, thereby freeing up memory that was previously occupied. Some popular choices are the Great Suspender for Chrome and AutoTab Discard for Firefox. Both are user-friendly and can make a significant difference in your browser's memory usage. It's also worth noting that not all running processes should be closed. Some are critical to your system's operation. So, before you hit that End Task button, make sure you're not closing something crucial. In conclusion, managing your running programs effectively is key to maintaining your laptop's performance. Regularly check your Task Manager, close unnecessary applications, and consider using memory-saving browser extensions. Keep your running programs to a minimum to ensure smooth performance. Your laptop's disk space can also affect its performance. When a hard drive becomes cluttered with files, it can slow down your laptop significantly. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost speed is by using the Disk Cleanup utility. This handy tool is built right into Windows and is designed to help you remove unnecessary files like temporary files, offline web pages, and installer files that are no longer required. To get started, just type Disk Cleanup into the search bar and select the drive you want to clean. The tool will then scan for files that can be removed safely, allowing you to free up valuable space. It's like giving your laptop a mini detox. But what about those large files like old videos, high-resolution photos, and archived documents? If they're taking up too much space but you're not ready to delete them forever, consider moving them to an external drive. This not only frees up space on your main disk, but also helps in organizing your files better, making them easier to find when you need them. For those who want to take storage optimization to the next level, tools like CC Cleaner can be a great addition. These tools go beyond basic cleanup by also managing your registry and uninstalling programs that are no longer needed, ensuring that your laptop runs as efficiently as possible. Remember, maintaining free space on your laptop isn't just about cleaning, it's about optimizing performance. A clean disk can significantly speed up your laptop. Did you know that some programs launch at startup and can slow down your laptop? It's like inviting too many guests to a party. It gets crowded, and things start to slow down. Let's tidy up that guest list and speed up your system's boot time. To begin, you'll need to open the Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing. Once it's open, navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs that are set to run when your computer starts. Take a moment to look through this list. You might be surprised at how many programs are running unnecessarily in the background. Each of these consumes precious resources, prolonging the time it takes for your laptop to become ready to use. Now, the next step is simple but crucial. Disable the programs you don't need at startup. To do this, right-click on the program you want to stop and select Disable. This doesn't uninstall the program. It merely stops it from launching automatically. You can still open the program whenever you need it via the Start menu or a desktop shortcut. However, exercise caution. Ensure you don't disable any critical system processes or programs that you aren't familiar with. If in doubt, a quick online search can help clarify whether a program is essential for your system's operation. By trimming down the startup programs, you're not just cutting down on startup time, you're also freeing up resources for when your laptop is running. A lean startup process can make your laptop boot faster. Malware and viruses can significantly slow down your laptop. In the digital age, securing your laptop isn't just about protecting your personal information, it's also crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Malware, short for malicious software, can clog your system's resources, while viruses can corrupt files and hinder your laptop's operations. This is why running regular system scans is more than a safety measure. It's a performance necessity. Windows Defender, integrated into your operating system, provides comprehensive protection against these threats. It's equipped to perform full system scans that delve deep into every corner of your laptop, ensuring no malware or virus goes undetected. If you prefer, there are several reliable antivirus software options available that offer additional features and capabilities. Once a threat is detected, the immediate step is removal. Prompt action is essential, as malware and viruses can multiply or cause more damage the longer they remain on your system. Most antivirus programs offer straightforward options to remove or quarantine these threats, thus safeguarding your laptop and its performance. Regular updates to your antivirus software are just as important. Cyber threats evolve rapidly, and keeping your security measures up to date ensures you're protected against the latest viruses and malware attacks. Remember, a well-maintained antivirus system does more than just protect your personal data. It ensures that your laptop remains efficient, responsive, and most importantly, fast. A malware-free laptop is a fast laptop. Adjusting your laptop's power options can also boost its performance. Dive into the control panel where a world of settings awaits. Here you can navigate to power options or simply type power options in the Start menu search bar for quicker access. Once you're in the power options menu, you'll find several power plans available. Each plan is designed with different usage scenarios in mind, for those looking to enhance their laptop's performance without sacrificing too much battery life. Selecting a plan that balances both is key. Typically, you might opt for a balanced or high-performance plan, depending on your specific needs. But the customization doesn't stop there. Delve into the advanced settings to fine-tune how your laptop manages its CPU performance, display brightness, and even how soon it goes to sleep when inactive. Adjusting these settings can help ensure that your laptop is running efficiently, prioritizing power when you need it most. Optimized power settings can give your laptop a performance boost. Scene script. Unused programs can take up valuable space and slow down your laptop. It's like holding onto a closet full of clothes you never wear. Removing these digital dust collectors not only frees up space, but can also enhance your laptop's performance. Let's walk through how to tidy up your system. Start by opening the control panel. If you're using a more recent version of Windows, you might find this under Apps and Features in the Settings menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your laptop. Take a moment to scroll through this list and identify any applications you no longer use. Once you've made your selections, simply click on the program and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove the software completely from your system. For a more meticulous cleanup, consider using a third-party uninstaller. These tools are designed to remove not just the program itself, but also any residual files left behind, which can often go unnoticed. A laptop free of unused software performs better. Improving your laptop's performance is not as daunting as it seems. We've explored several steps: updating Windows and drivers, closing unnecessary programs, freeing up disk space, disabling startup programs, checking for malware and viruses, adjusting power options, and uninstalling unused programs. Each of these can significantly boost your laptop's efficiency. Give them a try and observe the transformation in your computing experience. Remember to restart your laptop after making changes and enjoy a smoother, faster computing experience.